Join my mom and I as we tour the Islanders locker room at UBS Arena. This was a perk we had for being season ticket members. And if you haven't been inside UBS Arena before, the building is stunning. When we arrived, we got these badges and then we were on our way onto the tour. Our first stop was the locker rooms. This building is so cool and new, and it was fascinating to see where the players get ready for their games. I took a tour previously at their old arena. This one was so much nicer. And a huge shout out to everyone that was working there because they were willing to take so many photos of us too. And then of course we had to get pictures by the goalies area too, and we grabbed a photo outside of the arena in front of this wall as well. And then from there, we were able to see where they go from the locker room straight out onto the ice. Our next stop was to the Star Lounges, which is where all the celebrities that are doing concerts there hang out before their performances. And there's 4 individual suites in here. We were able to look inside one of them. And this is definitely behind the scenes that nobody really gets to see. From there, we headed to the post-game press conference area. And then they had a small reception area. We got to meet Butch Goring, grab some photos. It was such an amazing day.